Somebody will show, no, this support is not correct. Somebody will say, no, this base plate is not correct. So we will identify the causes for this projector falling down, right? So likewise, in our system, there is no projector. We have a flow, we have pressure, we have level. So we will say why there is no flow. Then somebody will say, no, there is no water inside, pump is not running, or some wall is closed. So this is the cause of no flow, right? When we will identify the causes for the deviation, means causes of the no flow, then we will say what is the consequence. That means if this projector fall down, what is the consequence? First consequence is my workshop will not run. If I am there, so it will hit on my head. Projector will fall. There is a loss of projector. So these are the consequences, right? So we will identify the credible consequence, which is the worst scenario. And after that, we will see that what are the safeguards. What are the safeguards means what is already here. What is safeguard? Safeguard means yes, these nut and bolts are very tight, and there is no person sitting on the underneath of the projector, and we have done the inspection. This is safeguard, right? And after making the safeguard, you feel still this will fall, then we will make one recommendation. Then I will say no, make double nut and bolts, make double support like this. But when we are going to review the consequence, the risk has to be practical risk. I should not be saying no, it will come on my head. I'm sitting here and I'm worried, no, this will come here, will drop down and something will come and hit my head. So that is not good, right? I have to be practical. And for this practical, there is a risk assessment. There is a risk assessment. How the risk assessment is done, I will tell you.